Hi RB's team, I'm here to explain the design choices I made when creating the requested infographic. At the top of the infographic, I placed the two general statistics about obesity rates close to each other to take use of proximity and help the reader group those statistics together. I used visual hierarchy to read the base facts about obesity and obesity rates before leading the eye to the more specific information. The focal point of this design is the map, shown by a larger presence in the infographic taking up much of the space. The alignment I chose is horizontal, to allow the reader to observe the information in the same way they would read a book. As you can see at the top right of the graphic, I used icons to show the increase in obesity using simple and easy to read shapes. For this particular infographic, I chose a red, green, and yellow palette to allow color harmony and to be a calm color relating the information to food. This design also allows for clear contrast throughout. For the font, I chose to use Concert 1 to be bold and attention-grabbing, but also rounded. Thank you for listening, and please let me know if you have any questions about my design choices.